Today's forecast, snowflake cookies with a hint of sparkle. Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you love decorating sugar cookies or you want to learn how, you're in the right place. Let's decorate together. I absolutely love to make snowflake cookies, and I hope that you will too. All the supplies you need to decorate this cookie are listed in the description, and you can get the cookie cutter STL file for 3D printing on my website. And I'm starting out by just outlining each one of the little petals here with a white royal icing in about a 15-second consistency. And as you can see, I outlined each petal individually so I could turn my cookie turntable and make it easier to follow along the edges. And then I'm just going to flood it in with the same icing and use my scribe to get it all the way out to the edges. Then I'll set this cookie aside to dry. I let mine dry for about 20 minutes, and then I'm coming back in with my projector to make the design. You definitely don't need a projector to make the design on your snowflakes, but I'm following a pattern by Cuddly Cute Designs, and I'll link her website in the description. So to make my lines, I'm using a detail consistency royal icing, about a 25-second consistency, and I'm just going to touch down, lift up, and then touch down at each point as I go around the cookie. I get any start or stop bumps in my icing, I'm going to take my scribe and just settle those down. So again, to make your lines, you just want to touch down, lift up, touch down at the center, and lift up again, and touch down on the other side of these little V's here as we go all the way around. You want to apply even pressure to your piping bag, and watch where your line of icing is falling, and just make short little lines. And sometimes it helps to practice on a paper towel or parchment paper first, and then when you're finished, I have some glitter spray, and I'm just going to spray all of these cookies with a hint of shimmer, and then they'll be done. They're beautiful, elegant, and the best way to enjoy snow. So stay inside today, stay warm, and make a pile of snowflake cookies that everyone will love. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.